Hello, dreamers! Today you're watching a time lapse of my latest commission of three dogs that used to belong to the same friend of mine. This friend of mine, he's in his 80s, and he used to have three dogs at different time frame. And when I was showing him some of my paintings, he said, "You know what? I would love to have all my dogs in the same painting, in the same picture." But when I was looking at all the photos that he has of his dogs, there were not a lot of photos that will be a really good fit for a close-up portrait. And I had to go online and find a lab retriever reference photos so that I can see what the dog looked like when it actually smiles and have a good profile. So there has been a lot of fun painting these three dogs, and now that it's done, I get to mount it on a board and frame it and show it to my friend. I'm pretty sure he'll be really excited. If you like my painting or my video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you and have a great day.